Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a very compact and simple human cannon in Minecraft. So here are the materials below. Any button you want, redstone dust, dispenser, TNT, and water bucket. So place the dispensers as shown like this. Oops, sorry. Now fill the middle with the water bucket and fill all the dispensers with TNT. Once you've finished, connect all of the dispensers with redstone dust. Now, on one of the dispensers, remove the redstone dust on top and place a stone button on instead. Now when you push the button, 4 TNT should appear in the water, and once it explodes, you should be blasted tons of feet in the air. So, thank you for watching. If you liked it, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!